When I first entered the stock market, I thought this was easy. Buy a stock, wait for it to go up, sell, and make money. But slowly, I realized stock market is emotionally difficult. The hardest thing is not buying, it is holding. One belief is necessary. Indian stock market will grow long term. More people are earning, spending, investing. USA, Switzerland, Australia, their markets created wealth too. If someone doesn't want stress, mutual funds are perfectly fine. This is the simple framework I personally started following. You need belief that the company can grow. No major management red flags. Check if the growth is actually visible. Even great companies can become bad investments at crazy prices. Nobody buys exact bottom consistently. Technical analysis can help with entries and exits.
These are some stocks we discussed on this channel while learning long-term investing and growth stories.
Dixon can benefit if India becomes an electronics manufacturing hub. India's infrastructure and power expansion can support growth. As Indian consumption grows, food chains may also grow. Content libraries are becoming valuable again in streaming era. As Indian cities grow, waste management and recycling can become much bigger businesses. As more Indians invest, CAMs can benefit. Consumption growth supports organized retail. Stock market rewards patience more than excitement. Like, share, and subscribe for more stock market content.